like if you are good in development, you should go towards that area. And if you like doing competitive programming, you should move towards competitive programming.
Hello everyone and welcome to our channel placement interview, and today we have with us Mr. Kulbir Malik and he is here to share his experience with us. So before moving ahead with the interview, first of all, welcome to our channel Mr. Kulbir, and would you tell us something about yourself?
Yeah, thank you. So yeah, I am Kulbir. I did my BTech from Vellore Institute of Technology. I am a 2021 pass out. I completed my BTech in computer science, and recently I've been part of Deloitte as an intern, and I started my journey with Zura after getting passed out from VIT, and now currently I'm working in TEKION as an ASA. Yeah.
Could you tell us something about the company you're currently working with?
Yeah, so basically TEKION is a startup which was established in 2015, and they are currently an automotive retail cloud company. So currently they are making some dealer management system, and recently they have reached an evaluation of 3.5 billion. So yeah, that's about the company.
So there comes a roles and responsibility in each and every profession we talk about. So what are the job profile that you are going through? What are the roles and responsibilities that you have to go through in a day-to-day basis?
Yeah, so when I applied to TEKION, it was an ASC backend role. So mainly there are two type of roles for ASC is Associate Software Engineer, basically the front end and back end profile. Most of the company usually also called it Software Engineer 1. So the main roles and responsibilities is you should know basic stuff like agile development and all, basic data structures and the core concepts of OOPS and computer programming. So yeah, these are some of the basic skills. And like I was hired uh, because I was having an experience of about 6 months. So for me, as it was a backend role, so there were several technologies like Node.js or Spring Boot, these type of backend frameworks. If you know, it was good, but it was not a mandatory thing. So mainly they focused on data structure and the common OOPS concepts. Yeah.
So during the recruitment period, how was the question and answer process handled at your company?
Yeah, so basically it was similar to other companies. Like initially it was an online round which consisted of two coding questions and some multiple choice questions related to computer fundamentals. And then it was an initial one-to-one interview. So in the one-to-one interview, basically initially there was two coding questions, and after that there was concepts related to OOPS and DBMS and data structures and networks and all. So like the basic computer fundamentals. And then there was a hiring manager round. So in the hiring manager round, it was a managerial round. Some of the questions were related to the manager questions, like why do you want to join the company, and like how would you give something to the company, these type of questions. And initially there was a coding question also in the manager round, and along with it some basic OOPS question. And finally there was an HR round, which was just means introduction about my projects and like where I have worked before and what type of package and all. So the last round was the HR round. So yeah, these were the 4 or 3 rounds which were handled. Yeah.
So in order to enhance in our career, the skills are really very important. So could you please mention some of the skills which we can use in order to enhance in your career?
Yeah, so basically what I would like to suggest is you should be good in whatever part you want. Like for software engineers, there are two fields. Like most of the people go towards competitive programming, data structures, and the coding part. It is essential. You should know a bit of coding. And like the another part is the development part. So a lot of guys don't focus towards the development part. So development is also essential. And what I would say is you should be great in any one of the fields. If you are very much good into development, you should totally focus on it, and the company will see your skills and there would be no issues. And the basic computer fundamentals you should know, whatever you have learned in your BTech over the 4 years. and like basic data structures, concepts, and all, like the stuff which we need to know. Like in the first round there is a data structure or coding round, so for that you need to prepare well your data structures and like programming skills.
So, any resources or platforms that you want to mention in order to enhance the skills, the technical skills that you mentioned?
Yeah, yes. So personally, when I started preparing, I used LeetCode and Geeks for Geeks. Initially, I was going through Geeks for Geeks. So like in Geeks for Geeks, you get all type of stuff. Like you will get the coding part also, and the concept, the fundamental concepts also. You get cheat sheets or notes for everything on Geeks for Geeks. You could also prefer LeetCode and CodeChef over it. CodeChef is basically more towards competitive programming, but LeetCode is a platform where you can enhance your data structure skills, or the mainly for interview preparation only. So yeah, LeetCode is also a very good platform, but personally I followed more on Geeks for Geeks. And yeah, I also did LeetCode on daily basis, like daily problems on LeetCode comes. So yeah, that was it. Yeah.
So, lastly, any advices that you want to give us to our future aspirants who wants to join the same role as yours?
Yeah, I would just say that focus on your skills, like build up your resume, have some good projects, and learn some fundamental coding skills, and like focus on whatever you want. Like if you are good in development, you should go towards that area. And if you like doing competitive programming, you should move towards competitive programming. So it is not a single thing that whatever you like or you want to do, like if you want development, you can go that side. If you want coding, you can go that side. But yeah, there is a thing that you should know each and everything, whatever you have studied during your BTech, and yeah, that's it.
So, thank you so much, Mr. Kulbir, for joining in with us today. And also, the viewers, do let us know in the comment section below if you have about your viewpoints. So, thank you so much for your time. And we would really wish you a very best of luck from our team placement interview.
Thank you. Yeah.